Yeah, a vital part of being fit is staying hydrated, and this is the container that I use, my flask, to stay hydrated. But then, as you can see, it's all busted up. It's been dropped, kicked, it fell down the stairs. But then, yeah, instead of throwing it away, we can fix it. You can either use crazy glue or rubber cement, but I don't think it's gonna hold for long. But the best way to do it is use a soldering iron, and instead of the solder iron, you use the is that zip ties as a soldering iron in place of the soldering iron. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just heating up the hook, the handle part, just to get it heat up so I can get the twist ties to melt in between, so I can mend it together. Okay, so it's also good for if you have a broken like your shades or glasses or anything that's made out of plastic. Yeah, I first saw this. Some guy was welding parts for his car. So if it's good for welding plastic in the motor in the engine compartment, then you know it's good for stuff like this. Okay. So yeah, don't throw it away. Okay, here we go. Finish. It is finished. Yeah, look how solid it is. Yeah, way better than crazy glue or any kind of glue you can use out there. Yeah, it's gonna outlast all of that. Maybe even last forever. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah, and again, you guys, no grumble, be humble, stay fit, stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next video. Aloha.